So in Epilogue, how did it all come out? Well, I'm fairly happy with what I've got in terms of the stippling and the Lichtenberg figures. I'm not as thrilled with the match I got on the buttstock versus the grip of the stock and the forend. I likely will redo the forend definitely this winter, as it is the worst offender, and color match that a little better. The grip stock area, I believe I'll try some colored wax to try to deepen that up and get it to match the buttstock area some more. There's just too much variation in the forend when you get up close to it for a colored wax to really do it. It's not been a very big hit with fellow trap shooters who are more interested in checkering and things of that nature. Although they like engraving on their guns, they don't like things like this for whatever reason, but that's fine. It's not their gun, it's mine, and it has a meaning to me, and that it reflects some of my life. So overall, it was a lot more work than I could have gotten the checkering done in, and some of that was due to the first time over, but some of that was it just takes that long to do the job. You can't rush the burning of the stippling. You can't rush the burning of the Lichtenberg figures. You can't really rush the stippling too much, or you start getting sloppy and start getting problem areas you have to fix. So overall, it shoots great. I think it looks attractive, and I guess that's all that's important.